Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorials how to add a thickness. In here I will create new drawings and go to part design. For example, I will create a simple part. In here choose top plane and I will draw rectangle. Like you can set for dimension, like I will set to 50, for width 50. Click close. And then use pad tools to convert into 3D. Okay, and I will draw again circle in this face. Create sketch. Create this reference edge, and now I will draw a circle. Set the circle into center points with this constraint. I will click these 2 points corner and click the center of this circle. For radius, can set the circle into 15. Click OK. Click close. Now use pad tools to convert into 3D. I will set in here for length 25. You also can set for refines into true. Okay, click in here and set into true. Now if you want to create thickness into these objects, these parts, you can use these tools. Like I will create holes in the top face and also in the bottom. You can press Ctrl button to select the face and use these tools. So it will be automatically create hole in the top and in the bottom here. You also can edit, like make thickness inward, so the thickness will be moved into out inside. Click check at this option, okay, like this, and you can set for the thickness in here. We set into 4. This is for 4. I will cancel and we try for another option. I will select this face and also in here you can click at thickness. So that's it for the thickness. It will be create holes that face we selected before. You also can make inwards and set for the thickness value. If you done, click OK. Okay, that's it how to add a thickness in FreeCAD. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.